Is this real crocodile? Let's find out. This is another brand submission to the chopping block where brands submit their leather products in exchange for an unfiltered review. This is Anima Iris's Nectar Zaza. At first glance, it's a very structured little handbag with leather lining inside. Construction seems solid. Craftsmanship looks okay so far. Came in a beautiful box with some dust bags, and it says handcrafted in Dakar, Senegal. So we'll see how good it is. The rest is gonna be just slowly deconstructing. It shouldn't take super long either. It's a structure bag. Now we're going to apply acetone to see the finish on this crocodile looking leather. See, it's a thick layer slowly peeling. That's our goal. So it's bonded nicely. It's going to stay there for a while, seems like. It's definitely a strong finish. From that one little square, this much plastic finish came off. That's how you achieve a crocodile look on a cowhide. I'm assuming this is a cowhide. We're gonna see the grain in a second. Black surface came out is the calf grain. It's a top grain calf skin finished with that thick layer of crocodile looking print. You can see the grain is there. It's top grain. It's calf skin looking from the grain size, and a strong thick layer of finish to accomplish this. Now we're going to apply acetone to the inner lining, calf skin, which is actually my favorite leather. I see the grain directly, so I don't expect much. I see that super aniline transparent finish shows me this beautiful calf grain. It's incredible. It's beautiful leather. I am a big fan of inside leather versus the outside, but again, I'm not a fan of heavy finishes or embossed exotic prints. This is top-notch leather in my opinion. They used inside. I see about 6 square foot of leather for the outside and the same amount for the inside lining. So in total 12 square foot of leather. $70 should be able to cover the leather cost. And it is a medium to high complexity craftsmanship design here. $70 should be enough to cover assembly, including accessories. So $140 should be good to make a bag of this sort. Given my estimate of $140 to make a bag like this, the price tag of $705, has a little bit of premium inside. Definitely outside and inside is fully leather. The outside leather is crocodile printed calf skin, and the inside leather, which I am in love, super minimal aniline finish calf skin. You can do a lot of good crafts with this leather. The craftsmanship is not 10 out of 10, but I haven't seen big red flags or anything that I can pick on strongly. In my opinion, this is an inside out leather, which I highly value inside leather linings, especially at this caliber. So this is a truly special piece bag if you're into this kind of designs and colors.